Hey, good morning everybody. So we're having an issue with our AC unit. We actually noticed it a few weeks ago because our AC unit is also a heat pump, and I think it was in Tennessee we noticed actually that the heat pump wasn't working anymore. And from what I can tell, it seems to be the compressor that has gone bad. We have a multimeter. I was able to test the capacitors up in the AC unit itself, and they all read good. I was able to test the thermostat. The way I tested it was that I switched over to propane, and our thermostat turned the propane on, and then when I try to turn the AC on, I can hear it clicking, and the AC tries to turn on. The fan turns on, but then the compressor tries to turn on but doesn't. It just can't. So I think the compressor is seized up. There's a little fuse that I checked in the thermostat. That looks good. So I'm pretty much at my limits of what I can do. If it's not the cap, and it's not the thermostat, and it's getting power. I tested the motherboard that's up there. I believe it is telling the compressor to turn on because we have a voltmeter that's plugged into our motorhome, and I can see that the power is dropping as the AC unit is trying to kick on, and it just doesn't. So I believe that motherboard is telling our air conditioner to turn on as well, which leads me to believe that I'm almost positive it's the compressor itself. We just left Erie, PA not that long ago, and we're traveling through Ohio right now, which is where we bought our motorhome. We bought our motorhome in Delta, Ohio, and we called up the dealership that we purchased the motorhome from, and we have an extended warranty on our motorhome too, which is a plus because it is way out of warranty now. And they said that they would be able to take a look at it. They're super swamped, which we knew they would be at this time of year. This is like probably the worst time to have some type of issue go on with your RV. This is like prime time season now we're going into. But they said they'll be able to take a look at it. We're actually going to drop the motorhome off in Ohio, and they're going to hold on to the motorhome. Sabrina has work, and we're going to be doing the full-time hotel life for a little bit, possibly up to 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, depending on how long they need the motorhome for to test, to get parts. They might even have to replace the whole AC unit, who knows. And maintenance is definitely one of those things that you have to think about while full-timing and being on the road. Before we moved into the motorhome, we actually thought about maybe living out of hotels full-time. And we played around with the idea for a little bit and then decided it wouldn't really work for us. We didn't like the idea of packing everything up, packing everything up and moving. And we decided against the hotel living full-time experience. So we're curious to see how it is to live in the hotel for a week, 2 weeks. But even this way, I mean, even being, that we are flexible and we're able to do these things, we don't have to unpack everything out of our RV, pack it into our car, and I don't know, just not really looking forward to taking everything out of the RV. It's just something to think about when you're looking into going into the RV full-time is maintenance. So we've been really lucky. We've done over 30,000 miles so far, and really this is the first time that we don't have to like surrender our home and leave it at a shop for an extended period of time. I think we've gotten really lucky, and I think if we really needed to, like if this wasn't an option where we couldn't get into a hotel for a couple weeks, I know Nomadic Native, he had people come out and work on his air conditioner unit right at his site. So there would have been other options too, but we really wanted Schaefer's to do the work on our RV. It's where, like I said, it's where we purchased it from. We really like them there, and we're not that far away from them. We're staying at Punderson State Park, and Delta, Ohio is really not all that far, and then it's not that far from where Sabrina's working afterwards. So it just kind of worked out this way, and it'd be nice to stop by and see Schaefer's team and everything, and we're curious to see if they even remember us. It's been over a year. We really liked the whole buying process with them, and now we're curious to see how the service goes with them. So that's where we're at right now. Luckily, it's not crazy hot out. The warmest day has been like 78 or 80 degrees. We got all the fans going, all the windows open, and it gets warm. It definitely gets warm in there. It hasn't been horrible yet, so hopefully we can catch this problem. They can fix it, and we can have AC for the rest of the summer. All right, everybody, you take care. Safe travels, and we will keep you updated and let you know how the whole experience is going and what it turns out to be. All right, bye. Bell, no digging.